Hi, I am Hirok. As an artist, I know how important a precision is. Today, I am going to talk about AGARO Electric Eraser, which makes it easy. Whether you want to enhance details in your sketches, refine your artwork, or quickly fix mistakes, this tool is a game changer. This pack comes with one electric eraser with metal clamp, 10 numbers of 2.3 mm eraser refills, 12 numbers of 5 mm eraser refills, and 2 plastic eraser clamps. The two eraser sizes 2.3 mm and 5 mm is used to cater to various erasing needs. The 5 mm erasers is perfect for creating highlights in larger areas of drawings, whereas the 2.3 mm is ideal for precise corrections in smaller detailing of drawings. Now let's see how this eraser works. It requires two AAA batteries. You put it inside, rotate and lock the cover. Take out this clamp, put your 5 mm and adjust the height, press it back. For 2.3 mm, take out this plastic clamp, adjust the height again and push it back. Hold and press the button and use it on the desired areas. You can remove charcoals like this for highlighting these areas. You can create hair effect highlighting the edge of a drawing or create a reflection in the eye. You can also sharpen the edge by rubbing the edge of the eraser on a sandpaper. This will help you create sharp and thin effect. The AGARO Electric Eraser is made for beginners and professional artists who would love to take their art to the next level. You can use it on graphite, on charcoal, on color pencil. If you run out of the erasers which comes up with the pack, then you can buy this extra piece of 70 erasers refill, which comes up with 30 pieces of 5 mm eraser refill and 40 pieces of 2.3 mm eraser refills. So next time you want to draw and want to create something similar or something different, you can try this product.